AFCON 2025 round of 16, the master versus apprentice showdown. It is South Africa versus Cameroon. South Africa versus Cameroon. Date Sunday, January 4th, 2026. Venue Al Medina Stadium, Rabat in Morocco. Kickoff, it is 8 p.m. local time, then 9 p.m. for South African Standard Time. This match is dominated by the Hugo Broos factor. The Bafana Bafana coach leads his current side against the nation he famously guided to AFCON glory in 2017. I hope you guys still remember that the last time Cameroon won the Africa Cup of Nations, it was in 2017, and no one had expected them to do that. With a very young team. Guess who was in charge of that Cameroon team? It was Hugo Broos, who's now coaching South Africa. It is a battle between South Africa's technical evolution and Cameroon's historic indomitable pedigree. Path to the round of 16. South Africa played 3 matches in the group stages. It was a 2-1 victory over Angola, a 1-0 defeat to Egypt, and a 3-2 victory over Zimbabwe in Group B. Then that made South Africa to be Group B runners-up with 6 points. Then for Cameroon, it was a 1-0 victory over Gabon, a 1-1 draw against Ivory Coast, and a 2-1 win over Mozambique. That made them the Group F runners-up. South Africa enters the knockouts battle hardened after a thrilling 3-2 Limpopo derby over Zimbabwe. Right? 3-2 win over Zimbabwe. Meanwhile, Cameroon progressed unbeaten in a brutal Group F, proving their defensive resilience against the defending champions, Ivory Coast. The team previews and key players. South Africa key player is Lyle Foster. Current form at the AFCON is 2 goals and 2 assists. Foster is currently the most decisive player in the tournament. His physical hold-up play will be essential against Cameroon's towering centre-backs, the physicality. Right. Another key player for South Africa is Mhaonkot. Current form is the RSL African Player of the Year. The Kimberley kid is playing with sky-high confidence. His crossing and 1v1 ability are Bafana Bafana's primary weapon to unlock the indomitable Lions. For Cameroon side, key player is Bryan Mbeumo. Current form, it is 1 goal, 1 assist. The Manchester United star has embraced the captaincy. He is their creative heartbeat and most clinical finisher in the absence of Abubakar. Another player, it is Andre Onana. Current form is 1 clean sheet. The world-class keeper is Cameroon's safety net. His ability to play long, accurate passes, right, can bypass South Africa's high press instantly. The team news and tactical analysis. South Africa's tactical discipline. The injury update. Siyabonga Gezana is a slight doubt after picking up a knock late in the Zimbabwe game, but he's expected to start. Ozwin Police has fully recovered from his minor foot injury. The game plan. Hugo Broos will likely stick to the 4-2-3-1 that frustrated Egypt. Expect Mkwena to sit deeper to protect the backline against Cameroon's direct physical attacks, while Nkote and Police look to exploit the space behind Cameroon's fullbacks. The Cameroon physical dominance. The squad news. Despite pre-tournament administrative chaos, the squad has found stability under David Park. However, they are missing the injured Jean-Charles Castillo, right, in defense, which has left them looking slightly vulnerable to pacey transitions. The game plan: Cameroon will look to bully South Africa in the air and during set pieces. They will rely on Zambo Anguissa to win the midfield battle and feed Mbiemo early. The head-to-head record: overall, South Africa 3 wins, Cameroon 1 win, 5 draws. AFCON history: their only previous AFCON meeting was in 1996. South Africa won by 3-0. Recent trend: the last 3 meetings between these two giants have ended in draws. They are incredibly evenly matched. The forecast and prediction: the knockout factor: South Africa has a stellar recent record in the round of 16, having knocked out Egypt in 2019 and Morocco in 2023. In previous editions, they thrive as underdogs. However, Cameroon's tournament experience is unmatched. They rarely panic in knockout scenarios. The match pattern: expect a tactical chess match. South Africa will have more of the ball, but Cameroon will be dangerous on the break and from corners. If the game goes to penalties, South Africa has the human wall in Ronan Williams, who famously saved 4 penalties in the 2023 quarterfinals. So the predicted score, it is 1-1, and South Africa to progress 4-3 on penalties. In summary, this is the game of the round: South Africa's tactical flair versus Cameroon's sheer power. While the Indomitable Lions are the traditional favorites, Bafana Bafana's recent momentum and individual form of Lyle Foster give them a slight edge in a game likely to be decided by the narrowest of margins. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tebus Kosana. The name of the platform is Mzansi Total Football. Thank you very much.